Hi, Timothy Unkert here, and in this video, I'm going to demonstrate incrementing a variable by a number other than 1. I've included my header file and I have my main function created. And a lot of the programs I create in here are, uh, discussing my favorite TV show, which is Supernatural. So I named this file Dean Downstairs. And in the show, he goes down to, the burning place for 4 months. But really that's like 40 years. Okay, so we're going to convert his time downstairs to our normal time in this program. All right, so I'm going to create 2 integers. One is going to be months downstairs, and the next one's going to be years upstairs. Because 1 month downstairs feels like 10 years upstairs. Okay. And I'm going to print f how long in months did Dean spend downstairs? Okay, and we're going to use scanf and pass in an integer, and then the integer is going to be passed into the months downstairs. Okay, and we're going to start off with saying years upstairs is equal to 0, and then we're going to say years upstairs plus equals 10 times months downstairs. Okay, and what we're going to do now is so we can increment by amount more than 1. A lot of times if we have years or whatever variable we have, we'll have like a plus plus, and that'll only increment by 1. The point of this video is to show you that you can do plus equals and you can increment by a certain amount. So in this case, it's really months is going to be, let's say it was just 1, it would be incrementing by 10. Okay. And if we wanted to, we could run this through a for loop and increment by 10 each time or some other value, whatever we want, really. And then I'm going to now print f. It felt like %d for passing in an integer, years upstairs. Okay, and then we'll do a /n, and then we'll pass in the years upstairs. Okay, and put a semicolon there at the end, and then we're going to return 0. Okay. All right, let's open up a terminal and let's compile this into a file called Dean Downstairs. And let's go ahead and now let's run Dean Downstairs. So how long in months did Dean spend downstairs? Well, in the show, he spent 4 months. So it felt like 40 years upstairs. Now we could put in a different value. We could put 10, and then it would be feeling like 100 years upstairs. Anyways, the purpose of this video was to show you that you can increment a variable by a value other than 1. You can also decrement a variable by a value other than 1. I hope you found this video interesting. If you did, and you haven't done so already, could you please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications? It really does help the channel grow. I want to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.